I will now show you how you can list all the commands that Kleopatra understands. This simple command is your base when you get lost. It is the help command. Let's first find it using the buttons. As any important command, you will find a button help in home menu. It is located on the second page of the menu. Let's click the home button in the center of the quick menu to display the home menu. This will present you with the main menu. Now, you will need to move to the second page of the menu with clicking the next button. You can see it in the lower right corner of the home menu. Let's click it. Now, you will need to click the help button in the center of the menu. It's marked with little blue book. Here you can see all of the chat commands listed in one place. You even see the hotkey commands that are shorter chat commands created for the practicality of most used commands. Because there are many commands, you will find them on next page as well. As usually, you can flick through the pages with the arrows. See. Secondly, you will find button help in quick menu as well. It is listed again on the second page of the menu. You will need to click next in the lower right corner of the quick menu. You now see the help button in the center of the quick menu below. When you click on it, you get the same help message with all possible commands listed. I have now demonstrated how to access help with buttons. It's really simple. However, you can also type the command help into the chat box. Let's try it. All of those ways are valid and give you the same message. You can use any and each of them. Now, I showed you how to access all the commands in Kleopatra. But you may want to access all available commands for certain pair on the exchange. Let me show you how you can do this. Remember, first of all, you need to have your trading pair pinned. Then you just input the chat command display. Look how easy it is. Here you can see many commands available for the pinned pair. You can check price and balance, see the graph in Kleopatra or check the detailed one on TradingView, check your profits, execute new buy and sells, and create new alerts with the pinned. That's what I wanted to show you about listing all commands that you will need for trading. Scan QR code now to join Kleopatra.